So we were traveling to some hill station last week and I packed some makeup and skincare. And now once we are back and I was unpacking my makeup bag, I thought I would share with you that what I took with me for the trip and what I actually used. So, hello everyone, my name is Selma and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about travel makeup bag. But before we start the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So for the primer, I packed this L'Oreal Lucent Magic Booster. It's a glowy primer and a hydrating one as well. When I'm traveling, I notice my skin become more of that dry and dull kind of skin. So I always prefer to have a hydrating glowy type of primer. I used it pretty much every day. I used it mostly mixed with my foundation to share the coverage of foundation and make it more glowy because I don't like full coverage makeup while I'm traveling. So for my foundation, I packed this Maybelline Fit Me. I have the shade 115 Ivory, which works perfectly fine for me. I packed this one because A, it's a mini size, and B, it's a very versatile foundation. This is a medium coverage foundation, but you can totally share it out or make it full coverage by using it a little more. It's a matte foundation, but it's not that overly matte or dry, cakey looking foundation, and it's neither a very dewy foundation. So that works perfectly for my travel makeup. Then for my concealer, I took this Misha concealer. Again, it's a mini size concealer. It's not a mini size, but the packaging is very small, so I thought that would be perfect for my travel makeup bag. And I like this concealer. It's not that my most favorite concealer, but it works perfectly fine. It is a hydrating concealer. It does not have that full coverage, but I didn't need a full coverage concealer for my travel. So I packed this one. And I used this every single time when I was traveling. And sometimes I even didn't use the foundation, just the primer and spot concealing. And for my powder, I packed this one, the Elf Flawless powder. Again, I think there is a mini theme going on because while I'm traveling, I prefer packed mini or small packaging. So that was the only reason I packed this powder. Otherwise, there is nothing special about this powder. And I don't use powder very much, so that was perfect. Then for my cheek products, I packed this Tarte blush trio or blush bronzer highlighter trio. Came last year in a holiday set of three blush trios, but this one have all three products: highlighter, blush and bronzer, all you need for your cheek products. So I took this one because all the three shades works just fine for me, and the packaging is so compact and best for the traveling. As you can see, it's a very pretty rose gold type of highlighter and a very natural pink blush. I even thought that I can use them as my eyeshadows, but I never did because I already packed the eyeshadow palette, so I didn't need to use it. But if you don't want to pack the eyeshadow palette, you can totally use the face products for your eyes. Then for my eyeshadow palette, I packed this one by Colourpop. It's their Going Coconut palette, and this is one of my favorite. Not the Colourpop, but in general, a neutral palette. I love these neutral nude everyday shades so much, and while I'm traveling, I don't want to do a full on glam makeup, but just a neutral everyday look. And this one was perfect for that. It has the matte and the shimmer and everything I needed for an eye look. I mostly use the matte brown in my crease and a mascara, and that's it. And this middle shade, it is stunning all over the lid, and I use it quite often while I was there. I love this palette so much. It's a very compact 9 shades, but all you need for the neutral eye look, for everyday eye look. I love to have a single eyeshadow on hand. So this eyeshadow is by brand Novo. It's a cream eyeshadow and it's a very nude color eyeshadow. So I didn't need an extra eyeshadow with that Colourpop palette, but I packed this just in case I want a simple one eyeshadow look, and I did use it I think one or two times. It was a very pretty one and done eye look, and I was glad that I took this with me. Then for my mascara, I packed this one by Urban Decay. It's a mini travel size mascara, and that was the reason I packed this for my travel makeup bag. And I like this mascara, it works perfectly fine for my eyelashes. For my black eyeliner, I packed this mini Makeup Forever eyeliner, but I didn't use it because I prefer to use white or nude color eyeliner in my waterline because that works best for the daytime makeup. For my white eyeliner, I took this one by Rimmel London. It's their white kohl kajal, which I use pretty much every day because nowadays I prefer to use white pencil. For my eyebrows, I packed this one by Essence. I have pretty thick eyebrows, so I don't need very much, so that works just fine for my eyebrows. Then for my lip products, I took this L'Oreal Color Riche lip palette with me because A, I love the Color Riche formula by L'Oreal, and B, it has all the nude shades that I could ever need for my nude lipstick. And I used it pretty much every day while I was there. I did mix the shades to make it more little more pink or more peach according to my taste or need. So this was a perfect option for my travel makeup bag. Instead of packing 4 or 5 nude shades, I packed only this one and it works perfectly fine. Obviously, we cannot forget a red lipstick at any occasion. So I have to pack a red lipstick. I packed this one. It's by Maybelline. It's their Rich Ruby. It's their creamy matte formula and it's a very long lasting lipstick. I had to remove it with the makeup remover by the end of the day. And I did use it only one time, but it was worth taking it with me. I always keep a lip gloss in my purse so I can reapply it throughout the day. I took this one by O2O. It's a pretty basic pink shimmery lip gloss. Glosses are best for the reapplication because it won't make your lips dry. In fact, it will keep your lips moisturized throughout the day. A setting spray is a must for travel makeup bag because you want your makeup to last long enough that you don't have to reapply things. This one is by Focalor. It's a full size setting spray, but I didn't have the travel size option, so I have to pack this one. For my brushes, I packed the only brushes that I really needed. One beauty blender, obviously, I cannot spread my foundation without a beauty blender. A bronzer brush, a blush brush, a highlighter brush, and 2 eyeshadow brushes, one for blending and one for eyeshadow application. So, these were all the brushes I took with me, and I used all of them. So that's it, guys. That was all the makeup I took with me when I was traveling. I hope you liked and enjoyed my video, and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and bye.